Stress about film installation? Rock Bear got tips for you. Let's start the class with Rock Bear. This video primarily uses Gen 1 squeegee. Same steps apply to the new version. Section 1. Before application. Conduct blade test before cutting. Standard. The bottom layer remains uncut, with all other layers fully cut through. Please select the cutting data based on the film type and case compatibility. Use the UV data for UV films. Use the matte data for both matte and privacy films. Blade scale reference table. Different films require different blade cutting depths. Section 2. During application. Take out the pre-cut film. First, peel off the outer frame of the film. You can start peeling from the triangular tab in the upper left corner. Use one hand to hold the pre-cut film in place. This prevents the film from lifting while removing the frame. Curl the bottom layer downward to remove the film, ensuring the film remains flat and undamaged. Place the adhesive side of the bottom layer onto the clean phone screen to prevent dust entry. For films with a single alignment line, use the frame's release layer adhered to the bottom of the film. The left and right ends can serve as auxiliary tab, allowing the film to be lifted easily during positioning. Or use the sharp end of the new squeegee to lift the film for repositioning. For films with a single alignment line, the release layer is adhesive. After alignment, gently push forward the film with a squeegee, removing dust from the screen with the adhesive. When pushing forward the film, follow a curved path at corners. No pullback is needed for single-line films. For films with auxiliary strip to alignment lines. During positioning, gently slide your finger between the lines without touching them. For the opposite end, gently pull the film back 1 to 2 centimeters before pushing forward. When pushing forward the film, follow a curved path at corners. If your nails are too short to lift the film, use the sticker or a piece of the leftover frame to peel it up. Section 3. After application. If tiny white lines appear after the UV film is cured, try scraping them off with the hard edge of the squeegee. If there are small bubbles near the edge of the film, gently push them out with the edge of the squeegee.